my video will help you to remove the ransomware called OSA. My video will be strictly for the educational purposes. This ransomware is from the Makeup family, by the way. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. Well, regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this OSA ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So, it encrypts files and then it damages the files. As a result, it is impossible to open the files. The ransomware, as you can see, reveals this ransom note in the form of txt file called readme warning, and it also changes the desktop background, which also contains some instructions. Anyway, you should not follow the guidelines in this ransom note because it's a trap. You should not waste your money. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com and download the software, install the application and start researching your computer. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So, after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.